Uh-oh. Oh, no. That's because a boat went by. The boat leaves big waves. Whoa. Doesn't know what to think about the waves. What? You like the waves? Big waves? Big boat, yeah. Lots of boats. Watch the sun go down.